The current generation BMW X4 lineup is rumored to be discontinued in late 2025, with its successor being the pure electric iX4. The iX4 Electric will compete with the Tesla Model Y, anticipated to become the world's best-selling electric car across segments and body styles by 2024. Before continuing with the video, subscribe to Top Electric SUV and also hit the notification bell. The BMW iX4 will retain the coupe SUV body style of the outgoing X4, with subtle but effective styling cues to help differentiate the old from the new. As seen in our render, the BMW iX4 is likely to feature the brand's electric blue highlights around the kidney grille, on the front and rear bumpers, and along the side skirts. Like with its other fully electric models, BMW logos on the new X4 Electric will also be highlighted by a blue ring. BMW hasn't disclosed details regarding the X4 Electric's interior, but the design language should be in line with what's seen in its other i models. We are expecting the iX4's modern but sporty-looking and luxurious cabin to be offered with a range of high-quality trim and materials. Some of the features we expect to find in the X4 Electric include a panoramic sunroof, multi-zone automatic climate control, dual high-definition displays, a high-end audio system, wireless smartphone connectivity, climate-controlled front seats, a wireless charger, and the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. While BMW is yet to say anything official on the matter, we can say with absolute certainty that the X4 Electric, like the next-gen iX3, will be based on the brand's all-new 800-volt new-class architecture. Along with the new platform, the iX4 will also get the newly developed cylindrical and module-less lithium-ion battery cells as part of BMW's 6th-gen eDrive technology. BMW's new cylindrical cells feature higher nickel content on the cathode side and higher silicon content on the anode side, resulting in a 20% gain in overall volumetric energy density and up to 30% longer range. With the next-gen powertrain and its streamlined body, we expect the X4 EV to comfortably do 300 miles on a single charge. The iX4 could get single and dual motor powertrains that produce from around 295 horsepower to 603 horsepower. The new class platform of the BMW X4 EV could allow for DC fast charging speeds of over 300 kilowatts, with the battery pack going from 10 to 80% charge in under 20 minutes. As per information posted on Beamer Post Forum, the X4 Electric will likely be produced at BMW's Spartanburg facility in South Carolina around 2026, reaching US dealers in early 2027. As for its price, the all-new BMW iX4 is expected to start from around $65,000 in the US market, with the Tesla Model Y being its primary competitor. Before leaving, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video to stay updated on future BMW EVs.